It feels like so far away, and I'm stuck out here.
What?
Right on the top of his head. Y'all, first one in the boat. Not a dragon. But he would have eventually been.
Alright, we're empty, Mike.
Alright. Shoot again.
Oh,
I saw him.
there you go.
That's what we Iguana removal. Rough looking right now. Almost there.
Oh, got him.
I'm recording
Go
this.
on, yank him out. Pin those back legs to his tail so he don't scratch it. Nice work, fellas. Yeah. Some Florida noodling. Hell yeah. Get up here, Rogue. Ah. Oh, we didn't see that one.
Wasting my time.
Get up here, Rogue.
Somebody new found their way. I'm dragging the whole world to hell.
Other side.
Alright, we gotta do it real
Perfect shot on him
delicately
as soon as we
before
get
he
parallel
moves.
with them.
Yeah, do not.
Get ready.
Oh, I can
As soon as we clear that last post,
see
smoke them. Get ready.
Oh, you see him?
Pop them. Oh, nice shot, dude.
Nice.
Rolled them, son. Nicely done, y'all. Get up there. Good dog. Bring him
Good
here.
girl.
Come on. Good. Hey, he don't.
Oh shit! Kids!
Rogue, come here. Come here. Let me
Wait,
get this dog in the boat. Hold
Rogue,
on, y'all.
place.
Load
You
up.
see him?
Load up.
Crack his ass.
Ducking.
I don't see him.
Crack him, Jack. Right there.
There's. Oh. Ellie, try and shoot him.
Hit him.
Take your shots.
Nope, I'm out.
There you go.
Oh shit!
Get him, Rogue. She did not like that. She did not like that. A little bit high how close we are. Oh, good night. Fetch him up.
You see another one?
Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot.
Little Jedi up there.
Smoke him. Sammy, get back up on him.
Oh, hit him again. Oh. Come here, girl. It's a beautiful canal dragon right there, fellas. Look at that emerald green. Nicely done.
Yeah.
Got yourself a pet.
Yeah.
Dude,
Ellie?
that. Now that is
That's
a
awesome.
stud.
Certified.
The big.
There he is, right there.
Shoot him.
Oh!
Got him, son.
I'm gonna have to shoot him again.
Yep, give him one more and send him to the ground. Try to hit him in his butt. There you go. Yeah. Nice work, boys. That's what we're talking about.
Dude, that thing's a stud.
Okay, so that one's big.
That's a good one,
Dude,
fellas.
there were
Stoned him, son.